Namaskar, this is Tanuja Singh and I welcome you all in Rebel News India. Let's have a look on today's top headlines which are coming from Bihar. Aurangabad police nabbed 4 cyber criminals from the state. The cybercrime branch of the Aurangabad City Police has nabbed 4 men accused of withdrawing cash from ATM units without even the bank server sensing or detecting the withdrawals. Cyber police were shocked to see the innovative device capable of temporarily making an ATM sensor defunct. All party meet to be held on July 31st. State Assembly Speaker Vijay Chaudhary on Saturday said an all-party meeting will be convened on July 31st to discuss issues pertaining to the proper conduct of the session of both houses at the new venue Gyan Bhavan. He added leaders of various political parties have been invited to the meeting to seek their opinion. Things such as how to conduct the session, keeping the new location and social distancing norms in the mind, and also the period of session will be discussed at the all-party meet. Record spike with COVID-19. 2,803 new COVID-19 cases were reported in Bihar. Bihar on Saturday recorded its highest single-day peak in COVID-19 cases with 2,803 people testing positive for the virus, surpassing all its previous records and taking the total count to 36,314. With 11 deaths officially reported, the toll has now reached 232. So far, 24,520 people have recovered and active cases stand at 11,560 in Bihar. In view of surging cases of coronavirus, special COVID care centers have been set up at Serghati and Tekari, 2 of 4 sub-divisional headquarters in Gaya district. Meanwhile, leader of opposition Tejasvi Yadav said the government should take steps to test 40,000 samples per day to contain a spread of COVID-19 and bring down positivity rate. Flood hit 10 lakh people. Indian Air Force choppers joined relief operation in Bihar. 3 helicopters of Indian Air Force joined relief operations in flood-affected areas in 3 districts in North Bihar, even as the number of affected people crossed 10 lakh mark on Saturday. Meanwhile, CM Nitish Kumar announced the state government will give gratuitous relief of Rs 6,000 to each flood-affected family through direct benefit transfer. However, major rivers continue to inundate large swatches of land in North Bihar district. Darbhanga Sadar block has become severely affected. Heavy water losing was also seen at Darbhanga Medical College and Hospital on Saturday.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.